If you're trying to learn n8n and you don't have API keys, then in this video I'm going to share the way how you can get different kind of free API keys for your AI agent, and you can start learning n8n from the ground. I mean, these API keys are completely free, you don't have to pay anything to use them. But in future, if you are get along with this and you want to upgrade your setup, then you can just pay and upgrade, but otherwise it's completely free. So there will be a lot of AI models that you can use directly from this API key, and this video will be very easy and straightforward. So first of all, just go to your workflow. So this is our n8n workspace, as you know. So inside this you need to add your AI agents. That's it. So this is our AI agent. Now you can see this is our input message and this is our AI agents box, and here we need to add our chat models. So I'm just going to add our chat models, and in this case we are going to use open router. This is our open router chat model. So basically open router is API key collection that allow you to use different kind of API key from their platform. I mean, open router is a single provider that will give access to different kind of API keys. So let me show how you can get this. So just go inside the select credentials, create new credentials. So you need to create an account on open router website. So we just go to open router website, openrouter.ai. From here you just go to sign up, click on sign up, and then connect your Google account. That's it, and your account will be successfully created. Now we just go to our profile. As you can see, I have 0 credit. I have not connected any of my credit cards or anything. You don't need anything, just connect your account and you will get to this page. From here you can see this option keys, or you can just click on API keys. From here you need to create your free API keys. So just click on API key. You can give a name. I give this free, and from here you can also choose some other advanced setting, but this is not necessary. Just click on create. So this is our API key. So just copy this API key. So as we have the open router AI agents here, so just click here and paste the API key and then click on save. So once you save, you can see the connection status and is said connection tested successfully. So this is now connected to our open router account. Now we need to choose the API key that we API model, I mean the AI models what we want to use. So as you can see, there are different kind of models right here. So from here you need to choose the free models. Let's say we want to use some free options. So if you want to use the OpenAI, you need to have credit, but here you can see agentica or deep coder, it's free. So if you want to have any other free, you can choose other free models. Let me show you. You can see this is also free. So we can use DeepSeek. So just go here. You can see DeepSeek 3.1 and DeepSeek R1, it's also free. So I'm just going to choose DeepSeek. That's it. Now I'm just going to close this one. So now we can just open our chat and we can test if the API key is working fine or not. So just like, hi, how are you? So as you can see, it's going to the open router chat model, and it will communicate with the DeepSeek free AI agent. We don't have to have any credit or anything else. So as you can see, this is the response. They are giving correct response through the open router API key, and you can communicate and you can build different kind of tools as with paid API keys. So this is the way how you can get different kind of free API keys through open router, and this is the easiest method. You can also choose other models like Gemini. If you want to use Gemini, you can see Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, it's free. You can also use 2.5 Flash image generation preview, it's also free. So this is the way. I hope you get the idea how you can connect this kind of API key and change different kind of API keys from here, from the free API keys you can. So I hope you like the video and you understand how you can get free API keys to learn n8n for free. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more n8n related videos, and I will see you guys in the next video.